13 Best Foods to Increase Brain Power and Improve Memory, according to science. We all know the way we eat impacts our body and physique. But do you know your memory and cognitive power also depend on your diet? Yes, it is true. The way you eat can affect your brain. After all, the brain consumes 20% of your total calories. No, it doesn't mean you should start buying brain health supplements. There is no solid proof that any of them work. Help may be as close as your kitchen, as some nutrient-dense foods can boost your cognitive power genuinely. In today's video, we will share with you the 13 best foods to increase brain power and improve memory, according to science. From turmeric, dark chocolate, berries, and more. Watch till the end to find out more. Number 1. Dark chocolate. Good news for chocolate lovers, now you can eat chocolate without feeling guilty, as it is full of brain-healthy benefits. Antioxidants, flavonoids, and caffeine inside chocolate are the reason for making it brain-healthy treat. Caffeine and flavonoids increase your focus, enhance learning ability, and slow down the mental decline associated with old age, while antioxidants protect your brain from harmful free radicals. According to one study, eating dark chocolate improves brain function by increasing cerebral flow. But remember, all these benefits are associated with only dark chocolate. It should contain 70% or higher cocoa to provide you all these benefits. Number 2. Oily fish. About 60% of your brain is fat, and half of that is omega-3 kind. The brain uses omega-3 fatty acids to build brain and nerve cells. Plus, they are essential for the learning and memory process. Not getting enough omega-3 is linked with learning impairment and depression. So now we know omega-3 is beneficial for brain health, but where could we get these fats? One of the richest sources is fatty fish. Eating fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel once a week can fulfill your needs of omega-3. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, oily fish intake can improve attention, cognitive flexibility, and results in low socio-emotional problems in children. Do you find this video interesting? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. Berries. Berries are full of antioxidants that neutralize the free radicals and protect your brain from oxidative stress and damage. The flavonoids in blueberries also improve the communication between neurons, which leads to improved cognitive functions. It also increases the blood flow towards the brain, resulting in improved memory and more focus. A study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry linked berries consumption with a lower risk of age-related brain disorders and memory loss. Add them to your smoothies, cereal topping, or simply enjoy this juicy fruit to make your brain strong. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. A study published in the Journal of Health and Human Services suggests that intake of omega-3 fatty acids can lead to better cognitive abilities and memory. Other than fish, nuts and seeds are also a great source of omega-3. They are also rich in vitamin E, which helps to reduce oxidative stress. You can get a significant amount of zinc from them too. Zinc deficiency can cause foggy thinking and memory problems. Apart from all this, they are delicious. Why would anyone not want to eat them? Try adding them to your smoothies, cereals, and desserts. Number 5. Eggs. Don't toss the egg yolk, as it contains most of the egg's nutrients. One of the nutrients, choline in egg yolk, makes egg a super brain food. It is a vital component for building memory cells in the brain. It supports the cell membrane and forms neurotransmitters that send messages from our brain to our bodies. Vitamin B6, B12, and folate in eggs also keeps your brain healthy. They work by limiting the amount of homocysteine, an amino acid linked with age-related mental decline. According to one study, consumption of egg yolk is related to better cognitive performance in children. Number 16. Green tea. Green tea helps to restore and enhance your brain. It can increase the connectivity in regions of the brain associated with memory. L-theanine, an amino acid present in green tea, produces anti-anxiety effects, and together with caffeine, it promotes increased brain function. Components of green tea can prevent the damaging effects of aging in the brain. Studies suggest drinking green tea reduces the risk of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and cognitive impairment due to its antioxidant and flavonoid components. Number 7. Whole grains. They are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates and fiber to balance blood sugar while providing the essential glucose that the brain craves. They are also a good source of iron, which helps in oxygen transportation. An amino acid called tryptophan, present in most whole grains, is linked with the production of serotonin and melatonin. These neurotransmitters calm the mind and reduce the risk of depression. Studies indicate a positive effect of B vitamins and vitamin E in whole grains in reducing cognitive decay in old. Number 8. Broccoli. Vitamin K and choline in broccoli boosts cognition and memory. According to a study published in an international journal of midlife health, high vitamin K intake is related to better memory and cognitive health. You can get 92% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin K by having just half a cup of boiled broccoli. Another reason to consider broccoli as the food for your brain is sulforaphane, SFN. It is a neuroprotective phytochemical which aids in preventing Alzheimer's and many other neurodegenerative diseases. Number 9. Coffee. Two main components in coffee, caffeine and antioxidants, have several positive effects on your brain. Caffeine in coffee blocks the substance called adenosine, which makes you feel sleepy. It also increases some neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, which makes you feel more motivated and happy. A study published in the Journal of Practical Neurology suggests that coffee consumption is linked with reduced risk of Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease and plays a role in cognitive decline prevention. It helps you recall things faster by enhancing the consolidation process, and its antioxidants content prevents symptoms of aging like memory loss. Number 10. Oranges. According to a study published in journal Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience, adequate vitamin C concentration is necessary for cognitive health. By eating just one medium orange, you can get 78% of the daily recommended amount of vitamin C, so start eating those tangy treats to get your daily dose of vitamin C and protect your brain. Number 11. Turmeric. Curcumin, an active component of turmeric, can improve memory, mood, and delay age-related mental decline. All of these properties are due to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidative nature of curcumin. One study associates curcumin intake with better cognitive function, learning, and memory due to its ability to increase brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, levels. Number 12. The brain needs good quality fats to stay healthy, and avocados have these in abundance. They also contain many antioxidants, including vitamin E, which protects the brain from damage of free radicals. They are also a good source of potassium and vitamin K. They protect the brain from the risk of stroke. Number 13. Kale. Kale has at least 45 different flavonoids, which can reduce the risk of injury by neurotoxins, suppress inflammation, and improve memory, learning, and other cognitive functions. The iron content of kale is also beneficial for your brain, as it helps supply oxygen to the brain. According to a study published in the Journal of Functional Foods, lutein has a neuroprotective role and is needed for better memory, and kale is one of the best dietary sources of lutein. No doubt, a healthy brain matters the most, and taking care of your mental well-being should be the priority. Start eating nutrients your brain needs by adding these foods to your balanced diet. The best thing is all of these are natural foods, and you don't have to worry about side effects, as long as you are not allergic or eating them in bulk. So go and try them yourself. Will you start eating these foods after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!